Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be working on my senior overalls. I'm at my grandma's right now. Also, just be warned, the setup will be pretty ratchet because I forgot my tripod, so I'm going to have to like put my camera up in certain spaces. But anyways, right now I'm about to go through this closet, which is literally stuff full of fabric because my granny sews. Like, this is her sewing room, and I have all these fabrics to choose from, so I didn't have to go buy more, which is greatness. So I'm just gonna use one of these, or use a lot of those for my overalls because I'm doing like little fabric patches on them. And yeah, let me show y'all. Okay, these are the overalls. They're just white. They're from Dickies, and then like we bought them from Amazon, but they're like the Dickies ones, and then we'll hem them on the bottom because they're like ridiculously long. And then let me show y'all everything else I got. Okay, next I got these little ball thingies. These little like stringy balls to put like on the top of the pocket. Next I got this trimming. This is gonna go like on the sleeves, so like on both sleeves, and it'll go like on the back part, like it goes there. Is really pretty. I think it's like pink and white. I don't even know if you can tell, like if my camera picks up the pink, but it's like a baby pink. It's so pretty. That'll go like right here. Oh yeah, you can tell it's pink on my white shirt. Like it'll be like right here, like the separation between like the top piece and the legs. And then I think we have it going around the ankles, so that'll be cute. And then we got this little rose flower stuff to go like on the sides. I think that'll be so pretty, like on the legs. And then these patches are to go on the butt pockets. And then this patch is a tiger for #MansfieldTigers, but also I think it's cute. It'll go like on the back, like on that center piece right here. So yeah, and then I printed out like all my letters and my shapes and everything like as like stencils. But I left them at home, so my mom is running back home to grab those right now. Anyways, I'm gonna go start looking through this fabric and then show y'all what I picked out. Weird, it's like glowing. Right. Actually, I feel like I should do a different letter. Have this small one. Right now I'm tracing the letters to put on the fabric. This is like a transfer paper, and then I'll like outline it. I don't think I made sense, but that's okay.
Say what? What did she say?
She probably couldn't even repeat it.
Nope. I'm outlining, tracing these letters to put on the transfer paper to cut out my letters with the fabric for the patches. Did that make more sense? No?
No, because that's what you're doing right now.
Yeah, that is what I'm doing right now. That's the point. That's what she said.
To go on the heat and bond.
Yeah.
You're
Basically.
tracing it on the heat and bond.
Uh-huh. So these are the ones I already cut out. So this is like, it's still on the iron paper, so we can like iron them to my overalls. And then this is like the little one on top. They're not measured perfectly, so like the arf works, but like none of the other ones work. So like the end, it doesn't fit right, but that's okay. I think it still looks cute. And then I'm still cutting out the other ones. This is the T for tigers that's gonna go on the back. All my letters that are prepped to go on my jeans, so it's like I'll have it all overlapped with the big letter and the small letter. This is senior. This is tigers. And then this is 2026. And then this is all like my fun patches that'll go on the back, which I didn't overlap, so they're all just like on their own. But then I did like the cross and the hot pink, so it's like bold. And then I found, or my granny had these, so I can use them as like space fillers maybe if I need them. And yeah. Okay, I just realized that I didn't mention this beforehand, but this was like my plan for the senior jeans, and so like whenever I reference it, this is what I'm talking about, and this was like the main goal, I guess, and then the like outline for the jeans. So they actually turned out like better than what my little outline is, but anyways, yeah. Okay, I just laid out everything. So, or for the, we're starting with the back. So I have like all the patches over here laid out how I want them, and then I have the tigers right here. So cute, I'm so excited. Okay, and then I have that for the pockets, but you can't see. There. Ironing on the patches right now. You just have to iron them with the transfer paper.
Heat and bond.
Heat and bond paper. Same.
Heat and bond.
Heat and bond.
Heating up and making it warm.
Good job, Mom. You're so smart. The pockets now, which is gonna look like that, and then I think I already showed this, but I don't care. I'll do it again. We have the little ball things along the edge, and then this along the top. Hopefully it's not too much light pink. I think the little ball things will balance it out. Don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
Now we're doing the back pocket. Or it's not a pocket, I guess it's just the back. And then there's the legs. They're so cute. And then we're not done with these. I'm still going to put ribbon on them. Gotta put ribbon on all this too. It looks so purple when it's heated, but I swear it doesn't look like that one's cool. I'm gonna set this like
My shirt. It's not working.
Well, then you should glue on it.
it's probably because it's the seams. Oh,
A lot of it, I think, has to do with that hump.
The heck?
it didn't work at all.
Hmm? Well, I can sew that.
Okay, well you sew that.
Do you want to sew it or just use the glue?
My beads are gonna be dangling. Hopefully that's centered. Thanks, Mom. Okay. So cute. Sorry, I forgot you didn't want to do it.
Oh, that's not the right. I don't know how many times I'm gonna pick up that iron.
Didn't you burn yourself on that earlier too?
At the table.
Oh,
I thought she
I thought
did
you
her
burned your
elbow.
arm. Yeah.
No, I hit my elbow.
Oh, not the same. So stinking cute. Except that pink's not the same.
And
Kinda. Huh? Okay, this is the like final letter for senior. It starts way up there. But, we didn't do it like all down here because this is the part that we're like hemming off. So it's just gonna be like there. And then the lace will be here. So that's why there's like all this space. This is the last leg, the 2026. And then we just have all the ribbons and then the hemming. And then we're done. Picking this leg out right now because like there's this part right that I said I was going to hem it on, but we have to pick all this out. So,
huh? Oh.
yeah. It's kind of dumb. It's like folded up. So, it's just like extra work, but it's fine. We're trying them on right now so I can see where we need to hem them. So cute. Oh my goodness. And then there's going to be a front pouch right here. And then, yeah, they're obviously not done, but just to look at right now. And then the back. So cute. You can see the legs. So cute. The length, hold on, there's the length on my feet. It's pretty long.
One side looks longer than the other, but I cut them off exact.
Here is all the lace that my granny just sewed on. Here's the feet. So cute. And then this is across the stomach. It's like a little divider and it looks like a little tutu. And then we have this for the sleeves. So cute. And I'm gonna get this, and this stuff is gonna go down the legs. Glue. Just keep on going. Okay, so I already have the trim on the other side. You just can't see. I have clips on there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this, which we already like sewed the edges so it's not rough. It's a little long. Is that okay?
Yep.
All right.
I can still turn that one edge a little bit more if I need to.
Yeah, it's like that much.
Okay, I'll just turn it over that much.
Okay, now I'm gonna glue this. Just put glue all up here. Okay, also this is like fabric fusion glue, if anybody's wondering. Right, the other way. Alright. Cute. I'm back at my house in my room to finish up my jeans because I had somewhere to go, so I had to leave my grandma's house or my granny's house. But anyways, I am gonna finish these straps because I don't know if you can tell, but she didn't sew them here because obviously you can't get the sewing machine to like fit in between the straps. So I'm going to glue them. She gave me the fabric glue and everything, so we're just gonna see how this goes. So I'm just gonna like cover it, I guess. I'm gonna put like a dot right here, and then I'm just gonna cover this part. Sorry, I'm not being very descriptive. I put a dot like here on the buckle part, and then I'm like putting a lot right here. I don't really know how far down it goes. Hopefully that's enough. And then I'm supposed to tuck this under, so. Okay. And then I'm gonna put a clip here so it stays. Oh wait, I'm supposed to put this upside down. Okay, same thing again. I'm gonna like pull this strap off the clip because it like sits here, so I'm gonna pull it. And then just same thing, I'm gonna put a dot right here. And then put it along the strap. Also, I have no idea if anybody's like watching this like who hasn't already made their jeans, because by the time I post this, school will probably have already started, so everyone will have already made their jeans from my grade. But for my class, I should say, like 2026. But I hope that someday in the future someone finds this video next year or the years after that and they can use this video to like hopefully help them make their jeans or for some inspo, because I definitely had no idea what I was doing. Actually, that's a lie. My grandma helped me a lot, and so did my mom. They're like crafty and can actually do things. I'm not. And then also I'm gonna go in and just put a few dots, like, I don't know if it'll stay, but just to like keep the strap down because I don't want it like flying up all the time. So we found a lady on Facebook, right, to do my like little patch on the front. I don't know if I told y'all, but I have to do a patch on the front right here, and we have to find somebody to do it. So we found someone, but we just have to like go give her the stuff, and I don't know when she'll have it ready by. But some of the letters didn't stick all the way, like this part right here. Like, yes, that heat transfer paper worked good, but we just need some reinforcement. I'm supposed to put weight on the glue, so I put my senior box on top of my my letters so that they hopefully get, I don't know, good enough. But anyways, I just think it's funny that I'm using my box. Okay, anyways, it gets stuck together. But I made this in a different video, so y'all will see that before you see this one. But anyways, yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow once this dries down. It's about a week later probably, but I have finally finished my overalls. They look so cute. I'm gonna do like a little like reveal haul type thing. Like I'm gonna show you like each thing before I try them on for y'all. But I am so obsessed. They literally turned out so cute, and I'm so excited because my my photographer, she emailed or she texted us like in our group chat for like her model team or whatever, and she's like, hey, any of y'all have your senior jeans done? And I was like, oh, me. So I actually have a photo shoot with him tomorrow night, and we're gonna go to like a football field and then have like buses, so it's like all school and cutesy themed. Anyways, I am so excited, y'all. These are literally like the cutest things I own. Oh my gosh. Yeah, here's the front label. It turned out actually exactly how I wanted it to. Whenever I like had to go pick it up from this like lady's house, I was like really questionable about it because I saw it and I was like, oh, that's really small, but it actually like fills it in perfectly just like how I wanted. We have the matching ruffles here on the straps, and then the little balls that we have like throughout the overalls. And then we have the little lace in between. So cute. And we have the legs on each of the sides of the legs. We have this little like flower lace. So pretty. And then senior 2026 with the lace down at the bottom. And then here's the back that I finally finished because it was unfinished for so many days. But it's finally finished. Here's the straps, and then I like, here's the little poof balls around it. And then I put the poof balls on top of this ribbon because it like, the edge was really bad, so now you can't see the edge. It's nice and hidden. And then we have the pockets, the little bows on the butt, so cute. And then we have tigers on this side. And then we just have like all my little fun stuff on this side. So yeah, I'm going to try them on really quick because my shirt just came in that I bought from Shein. I will have the haul in the next video probably that I post. But, next 1 or 2 videos, I don't know. And then here is the top. It's just like a pink shirt with little ruffle sleeves that I'll wear underneath. Hopefully it looks cute. So I'm going to try that on really quick and show y'all. Okay, I moved y'all to try to get a better angle, but y'all, these are so cute. Actually, I feel like they look like a little weird, but like I don't care because like the overalls are so cute. You just like can't even like see that fact. But here's the top with the overalls. I think it matches perfectly. It's so good. Here they are. So cute. So I am literally like obsessed with them. And then I'm wearing like my pink Sambas that I got the other day. I'm wearing those with them. Here, let me show you. These are my shoes that I'll be wearing with this to school on Friday. Like, this is not like the most, if this isn't the most perfect thing you've ever seen, like, I don't know what is. Like, this is so stinking cute. Like, I love them. Like, yes, they definitely look a little funky right here because they're just like so big because they're overalls. But I don't know, like, the stuff just like masks because they're just so cute. And then there's a back. So cute! Alright, and then also, y'all, just to let you know, like, the, like, iron-on fabric stuff that we did for, like, everything, most of it, like, didn't really work that well, so I had to go back on, and I keep having to, like, add glue to certain places, just, like, regular fabric glue. I don't know where it is, I put it up, but, just use fabric glue to, like, just keep everything down, which is what I have, like, literally everywhere, all over the overalls. It's clear, you can't really tell, it's right there. But anyways, yeah, I hope this helped anybody who's trying to make their jeans. It was like, I don't know where to start. And here's also some inspo if you need any. You can use these too. Yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!